Alright, there we have here. We're getting very close to discovering a Siberian white-tailed musk deer. As you can tell, these tracks lead from the White Plains down around here all the way into the river. Now, I'm going to try to track it. So mostly when I was up in Kangawalaroo doing a piece on the rare endangered carnivorous koala bear back in New South Wales. Alright, there we go. We're going to try to find this deer. Y'all gotta watch out. This area is full of the rare Siberian cave tiger. They're the #1 predator for the white-tailed Siberian musk deer. So be on your guard, Jeff. Jeff, behind you!
Oh no! Ah!
That's one of the most hideous carnage I've ever seen in my life. I think Siberian cave tiger was huge. I haven't seen a tiger that big since I was a wee lad growing up in Perth. Holy shit! That carnage. Poor Jeff. Look at him. He's all dismembered. Holy shit, there's blood everywhere. Well, most of the blood got in the tiger's mouth and he ran off with it. Ah, Jeff, I love you. But the show must go on. I see here, oh, the human tracks. The rare Siberian human. Holy shit. Ah, Jeff. Ah, I love you. Yeah, I'll find this deer. I can't do this alone. I gotta find me a new cameraman. Hold on here. I'll keep this mic right here. Ah, shit. Hello? Yeah, what?
Hello?
Yeah, Michael.
Who is this?
Michael, it's Rick Wembly.
Ah, what do you want, Rick?
I'm on location in Siberia.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's Jeff. He was mauled by the biggest fucking Siberian cave tiger I've ever seen in my life.
What? Why didn't you bring a gun or something?
I'm a pacifist, damn it.
I told you that the tigers are there. They're
I know the tigers are there, that's the whole point. We're trying to find them in the musk deer.
Well, why didn't you bring something for protection?
Well, I got 2 condoms right on me.
Oh, well. Wait a minute. Have you been seeing my wife again?
Listen, shut up. We need a new cameraman, pronto.
What? Well, geez.
I'll hold up shop. I'm very good at building the structures.
Well, look, Rick, you've been going through cameramen way too quickly.
Just send a new one over.
You gotta be careful with them, you know.
I'll be careful, plenty.
We don't have all that many.
I'll send over a bloody gun and we'll help him fuck the tigers.
All right.
Alright. Wembly out.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Biff. We're gonna see our host, Rick, perform the most amazing trick.
You're listening to your new cameraman, Biff Canweather. I'm about to go to this rare, uncharted island in the Siberian archipelago. Holy shit. Get enough. Now, this tree over here has been infected by the rare red skin Siberian turmoil.
No!
Here I am. I found some tracks. Thorns. Oh. I'm gonna follow these tracks so I find the musk deer. Ow! 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 Oh! Ow! Musk deer. Fuck! Thanks. Very much a fan of these thorn bushes. Alright, well, if you're just joining us, I just went over to Siberian Turmoil Island. It's a miserable, wretched place, full of darkness and despair and death. Alright, I got me and kicks wet. Now, here we have a very refreshing and pleasant sight to see, especially when one is lost in the Rare Siberian wilderness. Got the quite endangered tree bread. Here it is. Now, you can mostly find, oh I got prickers in my, you can mostly find this rare species of bread, indigenous only to the mountain highlands of Siberia and some local Italian delis. So, you can pick it right off the vine, just tear off a chunk and enjoy. Alright, Biff, I think it's about to call it a night. I'm about to get frostbite in my toesies.
Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscle. I said, do you speak my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sundae.